Hello my dear students, hello my dear megastars. Welcome to your own channel Computer for All. So today we're going to discuss how to create a class in BlueJ for Java and how to print statements using two statements, system.out.print and system.out.println. So let's start. So first we'll search for BlueJ and we open it. So I'm gonna refresh this project which I created. For creating a project you have to go to new project and then you have to give one path which the BlueJ selects automatically. So I'm gonna delete this class right now and then I'll create a new class. You have to choose Java and class. So I'll give it as P1 and then you have to select all of this and backspace. Now my dear students, we'll write one line: import java.util dot star semicolon. Then we'll name our class over here as P1 and then we'll type here, we'll open the main method over here. So it's going to be coming as public static void main string args. And now this is known as the main method. This line as public static void main string args is known as the main method. So and one more thing, that the semicolon which I put here is used to terminate a line in every Java statement except for class and method declaration. So now we are going to write here system dot out dot println welcome programmer. Now the system.out.println statement, normally we write on ln only, but there is also a corresponding statement to this, that is system.out.print. Thanks. So the system.out.println statement says that welcome programmer, and the significance of this statement is that when the compiler prints the following body, welcome programmer, then the cursor moves in the next line and the system.out.print, that is the body is thanks, prints in the next line. So let's now compile it and then I'll show you. Thanks. And now the significance of system.out.print statement was that it played only the following. The system.out.print didn't change the line of the cursor. So if we substitute this over here, like if the welcome programmer body, if we only give system.out.print, and in the second statement if we give system.out.println, and we added another third statement, that is system.out.print another ln we are adding, and like we can add here, this is BlueJ. So this is our program, the updated program. The system.out.print welcome programmer says in this statement the line will not change, so the thanks body will print in the same line as it is there, I'll give a space over here so that it doesn't confuse it. So the system.out.println thanks will print in the same line as system.out.print welcome programmer. And the third statement, system.out.println, this is BlueJ. This will be printing in the next line because the first statement affects the second and the second statement affects the third. As in the first statement it is print, so the thanks will be printing in the next line and the cursor is moving to the next line, and system.out.println is in the next line, so the cursor will be printed in the next line. Now we compile it again. It says that class compiled, no syntax errors, and Java is a case sensitive language. Welcome programmer thanks, welcome programmer thanks. This is BlueJ. See, I have deselected the option clear screen and method call because this was our first output, this one. And now as in the second statement was system.out.print earlier, which I mentioned it. So the welcome programmer thanks, this is BlueJ, this printed in the same line as it was in the thanks. And now I'm gonna show you how can we print many things in one line. Suppose if I raise this, if the system.out.println we use, so then the Ankush, like we take a name, so system.out.println. In this, if we print many bodies in one line, then it doesn't matter if we choose println or print, because we don't have a second statement in this, so we can choose any of the following. Now we can use here, we can give a name Ankush plus sign Ankush, and now to print multiple things in a line we use the sign of plus, and we also use the escape sequences of \n/t here, which I will be teaching you in the next classes. And then plus and another Ankush and then another plus and another. Now this is a statement, so let's compile it. Just some editing it's needed, and ready. Class compiled, no syntax error. And now P1 Ankush. You can see clearly that there is no space in between. So as I haven't mentioned the space in my code, so I'll be editing the code for you once again. And now if I give a space over here and another space over here and another over here and another over here and one more over here and one more over here and last over here and last over here, so you can clearly see that we have a space in between, so that the output comes there as in the spaces and not in the like combined form which we saw it earlier. So we compile it again and then we go on void main string args. See the difference in the outputs. In this output it was the combined statement of the body of the output of the code of compiled, and in this we can see special gaps in between, and you can also see another gap here because in the program I gave there a gap, this one. That is why the Ankush, the first Ankush word printed with some space in the margin. So this was all for today. I hope you learned something good from this. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.